Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you about blade and tension. Oh, here comes Smokey wanting to say hi. Oh. So, here we go. I'm gonna flip the camera. So a lot of times groomers will tell me they got their blades back and their tension was too high. So what they do is loosen these screws on the front. But first, let's just show you a little thing. So as you can see, this is too high. Freshly sharpened, too high a tension. So what they'll do is loosen these screws. You know, on the front of your blade, those two screws, they'll do that. And look, now it moves. But guess what else it does? It moves forward. So now, see how this cutter is sticking over the comb? See how it gets, like if you'd run your finger up there, it gets jammed up. That will slice a dog so fast. Very, very, very dangerous. And these are just moving around. Like it could go back, other side, the whole thing, it just moves around. So basically, we as sharpeners line these up to a good spec distance away from the comb to make it cut well and also safe for the safe for the animal. The proper way to actually loosen tension, so let's just test it again. I tighten the screws back down. So there we go. Too high. So I just grab a flathead screwdriver and stick it where your blade drive would go, in between the cutter. And I just will make sure my fingers aren't in the way and pry up just a little bit. As you see, just a little by little. And now I'll test the tension again to see where we're at. Perfect. It's in the green. I'll zoom in so you guys can see that. So the green is good, yellow's all right, red's not that great. So green is good. We're in the green. That is how you properly loosen tension. They should give you some resistance, but if you use the side of your thumb and press down on the teeth of the cutter, you should be able to move it back and forth a little bit. So I hope that helps somebody. Never loosen these screws unless the cutter is protruding and you have to push it back down. Because if a blade's dropped, sometimes it'll jolt it up. If you ever drop a blade, make sure you can't cut yourself. You know, run your finger over it. And if you feel any pricklies, that blade should be seen by a professional sharpener. Anyway, that's the right way to do that. I hope you have a good day. Bye.